بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Sometimes, it can be puzzling, especially with in this day and age, with Muslims in the 21st century, especially our younger Muslims, that when you see that they are kind of like despairing of, well, why does God allow these things to happen? Right? It's that perennial question of the problem of existence, or the problem of the existence of evil. It's something that theologians and philosophers have written about for millennia. And it's a question that to this day people ask, and it impacts their iman, to where people will actually lose their faith over this, because they look around at a world that is cruel, where violence is happening, war and famine and brutality, right? They might look at their own personal experience and say, why does God not intervene directly in the affairs of the human being? And we have to understand that when we ask that question, it's because we've not read the Quran properly. Because when we read the Quran properly, we see right now that Allah Ta'ala never promised us that we would enjoy paradise in this world, right? There are some people, maybe a small percentage of humanity, for whom Allah Ta'ala has written that they will have some ease and luxury in this world, but otherwise, from Al-Baqarah, if you look at chapter 2, verses 155 through 157, you will see that Allah Ta'ala has told us what is the nature of this world, what we're going to experience. And as the Quran tells us right here, right? الَّذِي خَلَقَ الْمَوْتَ وَالْحَيَاةَ لِيَبْلُوَكُمْ أَيُّكُمْ أَحْسَنُ عَمَلًا وَهُوَ الْعَزِيزُ الْغَفُورُ. Like, in other words, for those of us that are still trying to figure out why have we been created, right? As Muslims, we should know, but why have we been created? Allah Ta'ala is telling us that He created death and life, right? It is He who created death and life to test us as to which of you is best indeed. And He is the exalted in might, the forgiving. Like, this is the grand purpose of all of it. The answer is right here in the Quran. And Allah reminds us, and the reason why death is mentioned, by the way, before life, is because we're forgetful. To also understand what is the nature of hayat ad-dunya is so important.